In this video, I will show how to split data into columns. So we have this one column and there are three names. We will split these all. So select it and here select data tab. Then text columns. Split a single column of text into multiple columns. For example, you can separate a column of full names into separate first and last name columns. So click here, select delimited, then next, and here you have to select how your data is appear with tab, semicolon, comma or space. In my case we can see we have just space between words, and here is the data preview. Click on next. Now click here in destination and select any particular column where you want to put this data as separated. So I selected three column. Now click on finish. So this is the way you can separate data into multiple columns.